Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another beautiful sunny day. Today is Monday, but I want to do a intro to what is to come, what already has been, if that makes sense. So after the Friday's video, I had a big decision to make because my family and I had planned weeks in advance to go to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and have a little trip. We had all these things routed out. I had spent considerable time preparing, and the girls had spent a lot of time preparing, and so I didn't want to disappoint. I decided to play it by ear and see how the next day went. My knee was surprisingly a lot better. It wasn't like constant pain like it was Friday, and I just had this like knife stabbing pain occasionally, and so I decided to go and take it easy and see how it went. Well, throughout the days, in the morning it was not so good, but later on it got better and better and better. I don't know why or how. And then Sunday I was pretty good. So I just wanted to explain the sequence of things. So the very next video to come is actually Saturday morning, and we went on with our vacation. We had a very nice time, and well, happy we did. I was told I should get physical therapy anyway, so I did do some walking, and although I'm exhausted today from it, I'm happy we did, and I just took it slow and easy. So my knee seems to be getting stronger. Oh, I'm standing on an anthill. That's not a good spot. So my knee seems to be getting stronger, and right now I want to show you some unboxing videos, some new cool and exciting things that came that I'll be working with here on the homestead. So I do hope you stay tuned and watch these packages, what I got. And please do give me a like, a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Every bit of interaction on my videos helps to improve my channel and keep me going. Out of 138,000 subscribers, only about 1,000 are getting notifications. Actually, only about 1,000 are watching my videos, and many of you have told me that you're not getting notifications. So a thumbs up, like the video, leave a comment is going to help the YouTube algorithm to decide to give my notifications to more of my subscribers. So please do that and share, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. You never know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Off-grid living, homesteading, adventure, never know what's coming next. So, got some packages here to show you. Actually, the next clip I want to show you is a beautiful, beautiful piece of Pyrite. I hope that shows up on video. Beautiful piece that was left in front of my gate in the night. I'm sure it was meant as intimidation, because Pyrite is also known as fool's gold, and fool's gold is often meant as a mockery to miners who often thought they struck it rich, and they found pyrite instead, which is called fool's gold because it looks like gold. It glitters beautifully. It can be mistaken for gold. And this was gifted to me by, I'm sure, one of the people involved in the weekend's Friday's adventures, and meant as an insult and intimidation. I find it quite beautiful. It is a beautiful specimen, and I want to thank you for leaving it, because I don't have one of these, and this is a really beautiful sparkly piece. And I have bees buzzing at my feet. I will back away. And I am going to start a new rock collection. When I was a child, I had a bunch of rocks and all the samples of all the rocks and minerals you can imagine, and I sold them. And now I'm getting back into it, and this is my first official piece to my rock collection, and it's a beautiful one. So, which brings me to a thought. if anybody would like to send me something, if they have something extra, some rocks and minerals, I would very much appreciate it to add to my collection. And in my wood shop, I'm going to make a really nice display case with some of the most commonly found rocks and minerals, and even some rare ones if I ever find any. And this is going to be the first piece. So turn a negative thing into something positive, because it is beautiful. Okay, let's get to those unboxing videos. Got a box in the mail today. Let's see what's in here. Nice getting dog. The box is in the box. There's a Jellas, I hope I'm saying that right, Jellas, electric planer. 120 volts, 7.5 amps. A lot of pieces and parts in here. There is a very nice tool for me to try out here in my workshop. And we got here, there's a card, user manual, and we got some parts. Oh yeah, I can't wait to try this out. There's a fence. I'm going to have to look at how it works. Looks like there's a spare drive belt. There's a fence that goes on it, so you can play in a perfectly straight line. Looks like a drive belt. That's unique. Not many people give you extra parts these days. Oh wow, really? Oh wow. Okay, that's special. These guys don't play around. There's new brushes. New cutting blades. These guys. Wow, I did not expect that. There's all kinds of spare parts in here. Here's a case, dust collector. And there's a bunch of loose stuff. Probably the bag, it looks, I don't know if the bag has holes in it or if that's just how it is. But I'm going to have to check out the owner's manual because there's some spare parts, probably for the fence. And then, well, I can't believe they give you spare blades and spare everything for the motor. Brushes, belt, blades. You don't see that every day. I'm very impressed with that. Well, I'm going to take this out in the wood shop, and I got a project I've been holding off and finishing because I knew this was coming. And the cable is crazy long. We'll check this out in more detail later and check out the specs of that. Let's see how long that cable is. Hey guys, box came in the mail from, let's see, I think I know. It is Through Night. How's this open? We have here something different. Heavy. Wow. Solid. And we've got typical Through Night accessories. We got a charging cable. We've got here a bunch of pieces. There's some spare seals and gaskets, and there's some tools, and that is unique. This thing here is not your typical through-night flashlight. This is a tactical flashlight. And it's got two, I don't know the terms for that, but it's got two adapters for different rail mounts. And that's what that little bit in accessories in there is for. I wondered how it worked. I saw it online and I was curious how. So you got to actually take that out and put the other one in, whichever one you need. I'm going to have to really check this out. Oh, that looks like it tightens the mount. See what's in here. Oh, it's a little battery. Little, oh boy, I can't barely read that. 18350. So this one, there's no frills. I do believe it's just on or off. That's bright. Outdoors. So there's a on-off power button. Sorry, I'm not showing the on and off power button. And there's a momentary power button on the other opposite side. So depending on your needs, you can either momentary hold it on until you want to let go, or click it on and run around. So that is for a handgun mount, and I happen to have a really cool pistol that I will be mounting this on. So let's see what the specs say. So this is their Black Scout Survival, and it has 900 lumens, through night TW10. 900 lumens, a range of 125 meters, 125 yards. So this will be really interesting to try out in a field test. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be doing that on a separate video. I'll be running around with this, field testing it, go through all the works, everything it claims it can do. I'll put it through. So watch for that video separately, guys. Meanwhile, I'll put the link down below for those of you who want to go ahead and grab one right away. It's really solid built, really impressive. USB chargeable, convenient. Don't have to take the battery out. I got a big box in the mail today from Incl Solar. I figured it was appropriate to open this outdoors in the sun. Maybe it can give you a hint as to what this is. Anybody leave a comment down there what you think it is based on those keywords. No cheating. What's your guess? Here is something cool. Something heavy. This is a company I've dealt with before, Incl Solar. This is really neat looking. Oh wow, it's in a Ziploc bag. This is, make sure the camera's showing it nice. This is a really nice and amazing looking folding solar panel. There's straps. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Look at that. This is a 60 watt folding solar panel. This is, you can see by my hands how big it is. And there are some really cool, unique features of this. I'm going to go over that later on today. But look at all the cables. Look at that. There's multiple outputs on this thing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs on this, and there's adapters. So we're going to cover all this later on today. I'm really excited that it arrived right now because we're on our way up north to the Upper Peninsula on a trip, and we're going to go rustic camping. And I actually waited for this. We were going to leave earlier, but it didn't arrive on time yesterday. So we waited today for this to arrive, so we can take it with us. That is really cool. Well, I'll see you out in the forest. That's going to help us a lot on this trip. Oh, it's so fast. Oh, another one chased. Oh, they're chasing each other. Well, so much for that. Hold on, it's coming back. Oh, can I get it? They're so fast. There, I got a hummingbird. They're so fast, it's impossible to see. Hold on a minute, Mom. Oh, I'm recording a hummingbird. That's something you don't get to see every day. One just chased another. Well, this is the longest I've ever had them sit still in one spot. They love that flower. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Look at that. It's still going. That's the longest I've ever seen. We have hummingbirds all over.